I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a group in Outlook. Open outlook.office.com and sign in. I'm using Outlook on the web because that's where the delete control actually is, and the older desktop app just sends you back to the browser anyway. Once your mail is open, look at the left navigation rail. You'll see Mail, Calendar, People, and Groups stacked down the side. Find the Groups heading. If the group list is collapsed, click Groups to expand it. Now click the group you want to delete. I'm removing one called Project Falcon. The group opens in the reading pane with the group name at the top and the member avatars beside it. Before you go anywhere near delete, click Files on the left side of the group. That opens a SharePoint document library tied to this group. I'm looking at the file list now, and there's a file called Project Falcon Schedule that I know I need. Click the checkbox next to it and hit the download button at the top. I download that before continuing. Deleting the group removes this entire library, and there is no undo from Outlook itself, so anything you still need has to be moved or downloaded now. Click back to the group's conversations view when you're done. At the far right of the group header is a three-dot menu. Click it. In the drop-down, choose Group Settings. Some layouts show Delete Group directly in this menu, and if yours does, that's a quicker path, but the confirmation is the same. This is the point where a lot of people get stuck, because if Group Settings is missing from your menu, or if the delete link is missing later, you're not an owner. Only owners can delete a group. Members can leave, but they can't delete. If that's you, stop here and ask the owner or your IT admin to do the deletion. The Group Settings pane slides in from the right. It shows the group name, description, privacy setting, and notification options. At the top of that pane, click Edit Group. Depending on your Outlook layout, Edit Group might be a button or a link, but it's always at the top of the settings pane. The Edit Group pane opens with the same details and editable fields. Don't change anything here unless you mean to. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. There's a Delete Group link sitting on its own in small text. It's out of the way on purpose because this action is destructive. Before you click it, know exactly what gets removed. This deletes the group mailbox, all the group conversations, the calendar, the OneNote notebook, and the SharePoint site whose Files tab you just checked. Any files left in that SharePoint library go with it, and everybody in the group loses access. I've seen people hit delete thinking it just removed the group from their own list. That is not what this does. Now click Delete Group. Outlook throws up a confirmation dialog with a checkbox that says you understand all group content will be deleted. Tick that box. The delete button stays grayed out until you do. Then click Delete. Your screen returns to the mail view. Give it a few seconds. The group drops out of the left navigation. Once that name is gone from the groups list, the deletion has gone through for the entire team. Now, if you deleted the wrong group, there's still a recovery path. Go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, expand Teams and Groups in the left nav, and open Deleted Groups. A deleted group sits in that list for 30 days. An admin can select it and restore it from here. Outlook itself won't give you an undo button. The other situation I get asked about is when someone just wanted to clean up their own sidebar. In that case, the right move is Leave Group, not Delete. Leave Group sits in that same three-dot menu inside the group. It takes the group off your list and leaves everyone else completely untouched. If you have another group cluttering your view, open its three-dot menu now and use Leave Group instead. And if the Delete Group link didn't appear, open that same Edit Group pane and click Members. The Members list shows who is an owner and who is a member, so you can tell exactly who has the button. If this got your group deleted, hit like and subscribe for more Outlook walkthroughs without the fluff. And leave a comment saying this was helpful because comments are what push this exact answer to other people searching for it.